Welcome back, everybody. We're gonna do a little DIY on some natural cleaning products. Now, when we were going to move last year, I had this vision of this natural, toxic-free home, and it's so tough. We definitely have some products that I love, but I think I can do better, and I'm excited to continue that journey. So you'll see I have a few favorite products that are more general purpose products as far as cleaning goes. I love anything concentrate based, but the one thing I have not found yet is a healthy, non-toxic window cleaner or glass cleaner. None of them really do as best as like the generic stuff. I wanna see if we can get something close, maybe even better. As per usual, I looked all over the internet, did some research to find some natural products, ingredients, and I'm excited to share them with you. So let me go get them because this is gonna be a pretty hefty unboxing. All right, pretty basic stuff here. I don't think I've ever purchased baking soda in this size. It's 4 pounds. We're gonna clean everything. This is Cascade Free and Clear dishwasher detergent. I found a lot of natural dish soaps, but not detergent. I've seen these all over social media and I'm very excited to have my hands on my own. These are just glass spray bottles with the silicone grippy. So that way, you know, if you bump it on the counter, it's a little bit more sturdy and industrial. They come in a wide variety of colors. To go along with our glass cleaner trial, I found some microfiber cleaning cloths that are specifically made for glass. For the first recipe, combine 2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dish detergent. In your bottle, shake well before use. For my DIY cleaner in our shower, I am going to spray it and wait 10 minutes before I rinse it off. I'm excited to see if this works, especially on the soap rings, and if I don't have to scrub, that'll be amazing. Oh my gosh, it comes right up. I know it's a little difficult for the viewer to see, but there is a white ring around the perimeter here, about maybe a foot, where that solution really cut into all of the soap scum and it came right up. I love a concentrate-based natural cleaner. There are so many different kinds on the market. Find the one that works best for you, but I love this because I can use it on our countertops in the kitchen, the bathroom, appliances, faucets, fixtures, everything. It works fantastic. It's also amazing on our stovetop. It really cuts through some of that carbon soot that can kind of get on there. And this stuff really works, especially, pro tip, if you just spray the concentrate product on and let it sit for a couple minutes and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel, game changer. One of my favorite ways to use baking soda is in our kitchen sink. It is the perfect thing to remove grit, grime, and even rust stains. I use a heavy amount on both sides to cover it completely, and then I let it sit for a minute and then use a sponge to just scrub it away with water, and I have a perfectly clean sink. For the window cleaner solution, you will need a 1/2 cup of white vinegar, a 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 10 drops of essential oil. All you're gonna do is fill your glass bottles with the ingredients, shake well, and let's give it a shot. Going through the entire space with one product just makes it so much easier aside from using a glass cleaner. Overall, I really like the DIY glass cleaner with the isopropyl alcohol. I feel like it evaporates so quickly, there's no streaks, and it works great on the mirrors as well. And then I will finish up my deep cleaning by just making sure all the windows downstairs are done and the surfaces. We have some glass surfaces downstairs as well that I used the DIY cleaner on. I'm so happy with it. I'm feeling pretty confident about our cleaning routine. I know we're just going to keep improving and finding other products that will help us kind of move towards a more natural cleaning arsenal, as well as hopefully being more sustainable with multi-use products. But for now, I think we're on the right track. If there's anything you guys think I need to try out, definitely let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you found or what you think I should try. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss another episode of Simply. And you guys can follow along on realsimple.com as well for more how-tos, DIYs, and how to just live a more simple, tranquil, and calm lifestyle. Stay tuned because next week we're getting into even more DIYs and cleaning. We're gonna be tackling my refrigerator and then the awkward pantry.